Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Sandor here. So today I'm going to be doing some digging and some planting. So hopefully you guys can join me. So yeah, basically what I'll be doing is transforming this whole side of the garden. Not all of it today. I got some more plants coming in, some more palms. So I'm just going to start off small today by uprooting that suffering magnolia that I de-leafed yesterday, and moving it to another part of the property over there, south-facing wall. So that should help it. In its place, I'm going to be planting one of these two windmills. Not sure which one, but one of them. I had picked these guys up from a friend of mine in Milton, Ontario here. His name's James. A lot of you guys know who he is, James Palms. He's got a great YouTube channel. He also grows a lot of tropicals and bananas and stuff like that in his yard in, like I said, Milton, Ontario here. So yeah, that's the plan, to plant one of these guys, and then I'm going to start the video off with basically digging up this magnolia here that I said I de-leafed, and bring it to another part of the property there. So it's actually a good time to, if you guys are ever thinking of transplanting shrubs or trees or evergreen stuff like that, spring is always the best time to do it. So that's my plan right now. So I'm just going to pause this video, start digging this guy up, and then taking it to the other side of my house. All right, so I basically got this guy out right now. Roots look really good, actually. I like to see the white on there. So to me, that tells me that this magnolia here is probably going to be fine. So like I said, I'm just going to move it to another part of the property there, and it's going to be a lot happier. It's going to be warmer there, kind of like a small microclimate. So I'm just going to transplant that right now and walk over there. So basically right here is part of the home here, my home, where it's south facing, and my plan is to plant it around this area. Just got to move some of this invasive ivy here that I want to get rid of, but I think my wife wants me to keep it, so just let it be. But yeah, so here it's hottest part of the house here, so I think it's going to do well here. It's going to be up against the house, south facing. It's the warmest part of the house, so it's kind of like its own microclimate here, and it'll probably push it up a zone, which will definitely help us, because this is a very marginal plant here in southern Ontario. Just to give you guys a reminder, I'm either 5B or 6A. Depends on what map you look at and who you talk to. So either one, 5B or 6A. So my plan is that by putting the magnolia here, it'll have more protection, more heat, and I'll push it up a zone. And I think this is rated, it's actually a Southern Magnolia Little Gem. It's rated at, I think it's a 7A USDA, so it'll definitely help. So I'll just pause this video again and put this guy in the ground. So I got the hole dug here. So basically just gonna mix up the some of that soil there with some cow manure, compost, and then some fertilizer there. So hopefully I'll give it a bit of a kick start, and add some Epsom salt around there too, and should be okay. I'm gonna have to clear more of this ivy away from it, but I think it'll be pretty good in that spot. So I think that'll do perfectly there. So clear around here some more later on, but for now I just wanted to get it in there and get it established and situated. So we'll definitely give you guys updates on it as time goes on, and hopefully we'll see some leaves coming out soon. All right, so I dug the hole for the windmill here, got some water, put some compost, fertilizer in there, and took away a bunch of the rocks. So it's kind of like phase one of this project, and actually extended this bed probably another say 5 feet. So yeah, let's go get it. Let's see which one I'm going to choose. All right, So which one do you guys think? I'm going to go for this one. So let's grab it and go. All right. Ooh, it's heavy. All right, so put that guy in and just pause it here. It's hard to work the camera with only 2 arms. I wish I had 4, but anyways, yeah, let's put her in. All right, so I got it in there, no problem. Just finished fertilizing it. Some of this stuff at my local garden nursery. I was lucky to find it. I do have some that I got at Home Depot, but that stuff is actually cheaper and you get more. So that's basically all we can get here. But yeah, anyways, like I said, I put some fertilizer down there, as you guys can see, sprinkled it, pushed it in the dirt. I did water the root ball, and I'm just going to water it a bit more right now. So and then I'll add some more topsoil. So basically the soil I used was compost, cow manure mixed with garden soil. So that should give this guy a boost, especially with the extra fertilizer that I have here. So give that guy a good soaking. And you want to make sure that you, when you first plant these guys, that you water them at least 3 or 4 times a week, and actually just keep watering them throughout the summer, especially when it gets really hot. But so yeah, that's basically it, guys. So that's, like I said, phase 1. I think it looks pretty good. I'll throw on some more topsoil there, but yeah, pretty happy with it. So I'll be adding some other stuff here as time goes on. I'll probably be moving that camera ops over there to somewhere over here also. And like I said, I have a couple of other palms coming. And yeah, so basically that's it. Hope you guys like it. I think it works there, and glad it turned out to be a nice sunny day today. So again, thanks for watching, guys. I always appreciate you checking out my channel, and be sure to come back. I'll have some more updates and more garden videos. All right, cheers, take care.